How to sign up for Legendary Affiliate Program in India. Hey guys, today we will walk through the step-by-step process of signing up for Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program in India. If you are looking to earn some serious commissions while promoting valuable products and services, you are in right place. Before we get into the process of signing up, let's briefly talk about what Legendary Marketer is. Legendary Marketer is an educational platform that offers top-notch training and resources in the field of digital marketing. They also have an awesome affiliate program that allows you to earn commissions by promoting their product and membership. So as you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Then you need to scroll down, and in this footer section, you will see an option of affiliate agreement. Click on it. So before signing up, take some time to explore the details of the affiliate program. Familiarize yourself with the commission structure and the product you'll be promoting and any additional resources they offer to affiliates. This will help you to make an informed decision. Once you have decided to join, click on Get Started. You'll be directed to the affiliate sign up page. Here you need to click on Get Started. Now it's time to fill out the affiliate application form. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself, including your name, email, password, your account information, and payment information. Make sure to fill out this information accurately. And before you become an affiliate, you need to agree to the terms and condition of the program. Be sure to read these carefully so they outline the rules and expectations for affiliates. Once you have filled out the form and agree to the terms, click on the process checkout. Your application will be sent to Legendary Marketer for review. Now all you have to do is wait for your affiliate application to be approved. This can take a little bit time, so be patient. In meantime, you can start preparing for your promotional strategies. Congratulations! Once your application is approved, you can start promoting Legendary Marketer's product and services and earning commissions. They provide you with marketing materials and support to help you succeed. And there you have it, guys. That's how you sign up for Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program in India. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.